my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? Welcome back. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that is what you are looking for, you have found it. I have a wig review for you today, and I'm going to do a little extra something to this wig, but I thought I would just wait and do it on camera. I didn't film me getting this wig together. Let's talk about her. This is a Bobbi Boss's Kenna. Okay, I have her in the color BA1618 or BA1618. This is a blonde wig. She comes in a few colors, not a ton. It says that she is a J-shaped part, so she's got this sort of curved parting. What else does it say? It says it's heat safe. It never tells you how much, but they just never want to tell you how much. This is a lace parting wig. It's not a lace front, so there's only lace right here in the part. And I scooped up Kenna for $22.95 on Ebony line. Okay, so again, this is a lace parting wig, so you could make like baby hairs in here if you wanted to. I'm not so jazzed about that. I know some people are. It's like clothes and makeup wigs are different for everybody, and they want different things. I don't get too pressed about that stuff, but some people might. The wig cap is comfortable. It does have 2 combs in the front. There's no comb in the back, but there is adjustable straps. I would say it's roomy, but it's not overly large. It did have this whole bump situation. You know, I hate a bump, so I did try to melt it down, but I feel like with this color it does need some roots, so let's just do that quick. I'm gonna make some roots with this Profusion Define Brows Professional Brow Kit. All right, I have some other videos where I have done roots, but let's just go ahead and do them now so you can see it in action in like on this wig, because it definitely, I think it's going to need them. I'm going to take this toothbrushy brush. It's like a toothbrushy brush.
Okay.
I'm going to take that, and with this blonde wig, because there is dimension in there, we do want to put a little bit of dimension in the rooting itself. So I'm going to start with some of this cool tone situation right here in here, and then I might have to pull out like a reddish toned, you know, let me do that. I have this reddish toned bronzer that I love from Becca. It really does roots where you're doing like any type of like auburny. This is called Maui Nights, and it looks like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, and I like to build up roots in a multifaceted type of way, because I feel like your hair is usually not just like flat. So we're going to go in just here, and we're going to add, and we're just going to skip around and just work in with powder. And we don't want it to be too like stripey, matchy, so we're just going to work it in to and fro. Now I'm going to go back into some cool tone brown and fill that in too. I'm going to go in a little bit darker brown and get closest to the actual root. So I'm just going to go through it and work that in. I'm also going to work in a little bit around the hairline as well to make it blend a little bit better. So let's do that. Now once you wash this, all of this will come out. So if like you make a huge mistake in rooting the wig, or it's like too dark, you can just wash it like you would normally wash. I have videos on how to wash a wig. You can just wash it. And I really like to go, and then you can just start over. I really like to go all around the parting area because that's how your hair would normally grow. If you wanted to set it in place, you could just spray it with hairspray so that it won't just readily, it'll wear down naturally, but it's really not going anywhere unless you get the wig wet. You can see how that has changed it so much, so much. Let me just put a little bit more dark so it's not super, super, super red back here. All right. So we're gonna call this the after. I'm gonna go back in here with some of my powder just to define the part again. And let's add some hairspray, just because I don't want to have done all that for nothing. Not for nothing, but... And we'll piece this out a little bit. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Okay, let's look at her from the back. I love the movement. She's like a light, there's a little bit of texture to her, but this is definitely multicultural. And if you are looking for a blondes, this is a beautiful blonde. I think there's enough dimension to it. Adding the roots is like, yeah. So let's do this, and I will add in a before so you can see the before and the after with the roots. I feel like the roots like totally made the wig, in my opinion. So I really enjoy this wig. This is a lace parting wig. I have a full lace parting playlist that you can check out. Some people prefer lace parts, some people don't. I think they're just easy. They're lickety split, easy peasy lemon squeezer. Outside of trying to get rid of this bump, it didn't take me but a second to get together. I think adding the roots in this blonde wig was definitely necessary and made it totally more realistic in that regard. Not getting much tangling or shedding. I don't think that you will necessarily. So far, so good with this wig. I think this is a cute wig. It's definitely more of like a daily wear wig, especially the lace parting wigs. Like there's a whole line from Outre, their daily wear wigs are all lace parting, so it's just like easier. If there's any other Bobbi Boss wig you would like me to review, check out my playlist first to make sure that I haven't already reviewed it, but then put it down below. If there's any more lace parting wigs you would like me to review, again, check out the lace parting playlist, but then put that down below. And if you seriously, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.